There has never been a greater time than now to invest in the Metro Detroit area, and there is no other investment firm better qualified than Platinum Real Estate Holdings. With 40 years experience and over 1,000 homes sold, let Platinum Real Estate Holdings assist you with the purchase of a city-certified home of the highest quality. Turnkey properties, screen renters, yielding instant cash flow. Well, what are you waiting for? Call or visit us online today.
Welcome to the weekly recap for the week of January 9th. In today's recap, we will talk about why you should not panic about rising interest rates. And lastly, CNNmoney.com has a calculator to determine if the home you purchased was a good investment. We will tell you how to find it. This week's recap begins now. Mortgage rates have been steadily rising recently, but CNN Money's Catherine Vassell reports buyers should not panic. Rates are still very low. The average rate for a 30-year fixed rate rose to 4.16%, up from 3.9% a year ago, according to Freddie Mac. Here's a real-world payment example. At the current interest rate, if a buyer purchased a home for $241,000 with 20% down, they would only pay about $21 more per month compared to a year ago. Keith Gumbinger, president of HSA.com, believes it should not be a considerable deterrent to someone who really wants to buy a home. Here is a historical glance back at rates. In 1996, the average rate was 5.67%, and in 1990, it was 10.13%. Rising home prices fueled by strong demand and tight inventory have pinched buyers in recent years. Lower interest rates help temper that rise. But as they move higher, borrowing becomes more costly and can reduce a buyer's budget. As for predictions about the future, if rates remain at this level, some marginal buyers could be pushed out of the marketplace. But Gumbinger says he doesn't think there will be a huge change. Lynn Kiefer, deputy chief economist for Freddie Mac, said he expects home prices to continue to rise in 2017, but at a slower pace than we saw in 2016. Lynn says the rate increases could be felt more by house hunters in the country's more expensive markets like San Francisco and Manhattan. Aaron Lance, vice president of mortgages for Zillow, says for most of the country, it's still very affordable by historical standards. Experts forecast rates will continue to gradually increase throughout 2017, particularly after the Federal Reserve increased a key interest rate in December for the second time in 10 years. A higher federal funds rate makes it more expensive for banks to borrow money, which can lead to higher rates on credit cards and home loans. Lawrence Young, chief economist of the National Association of Realtors, said in a statement, the era of the ultra-low interest rate is over. He believes the short-term rate hike could be followed by several additional rounds of increases in 2017 and 2018. But despite these moves, mortgage rates will not rise alarmingly. The bond market also plays a role in mortgage rates. Interest rates on the U.S. government 10-year Treasury note have been on a tear since Donald Trump was elected president. Treasury notes are a benchmark for many types of credit, including home loans. Other factors like global economic uncertainty also affect U.S. mortgage rates. Lastly, as rates move higher, we could see the return of more home loan products like adjustable rate mortgages. Non-traditional mortgage products could start to creep back into the market as consumers search for more affordable options, said Lance. Next up, CNNmoney.com has calculators to determine if the home you purchased was a good investment. With this calculator, you simply input the date you purchased a home, what price you bought it for, then you input the current date. Press the Enter button, and the calculator shows you your investment return compared to the U.S. average, stocks, and bonds during that same period of time. In addition, there are other real estate calculators, one that determines how much home you can afford, and another that shows you your estimated monthly mortgage payment when considering buying a new home. There are also other calculators, one for retirement savings, general savings and spending, general investing, and college savings. Do you want to find out how your home investment stacks up? Go to cnnmoney.com/tools. That's cnnmoney.com/tools. Well, that's this week's recap. Did you find this recap helpful? Let us know in the comments below. Thank you for listening and have a great day.
This has been your weekly real estate investment news recap. Did you find this recap helpful? Please like or comment below this video to enter to win a free copy of our ebook, The Ultimate Real Estate Guide for Residential Real Estate Investments. You can also subscribe to our channel or go to our website to receive the latest in real estate news. Our website also affords you the opportunity to view our latest turnkey properties.